Are you a pool contractor in Arizona? Then this video is for you. If you're providing cleaning services or helping maintain the pumps and the filtration system, listen up to the following insurance coverages that you should probably consider so your business is fully protected. Number one would be a general liability policy, which is going to protect the services that you are offering. So if you end up damaging something, or if somebody gets hurt, trips and falls over equipment that you have at the property, your general liability policy would cover you for any type of third-party liability claims. The other coverage that you want to think about is a commercial auto policy, especially if you are using your personal vehicle to get to and from different job sites. Commercial auto policy is going to cover your vehicle for personal use as well, but it's also covering you for your business portion. Personal auto policies typically exclude any type of business use, so make sure you are talking to your insurance agent to clarify and confirm if your policy would cover you. More likely than not, it's not going to cover you for your business services, so look into getting a commercial auto policy in place. The other coverage that you want to consider, especially if you are carrying tools and equipment to and from different job sites, is an inland marine policy. This will protect your tools and equipment from theft or from being lost, subject to paying your deductible. So make sure you tell your insurance agent the total value of your tools and equipment that you have that you are taken to and from different job sites. And then the last coverage that you may or may not need is if you do have any employees, you are required to carry workers' compensation for your employees in the state of Arizona. Otherwise, you are risking getting a fine from the state if they find out that you've employed people without providing workers' compensation coverage. Also, if you are using what's considered subcontractors or a 1099 employee that does not carry their own insurance, they will technically be considered employees because they don't have their own policy in place to cover them for the work that they're doing. So your policy would actually be primary, covering them for the work or services that they are providing. So hopefully this has been helpful, letting you know what type of insurance policies you're going to need to cover your pool cleaning business properly. Our agency has years of experience and knowledge dealing with pool service contractors. So don't hesitate to call us if you are struggling with your current insurance agent or you just want to get a second opinion. You can always reach us by leaving a comment below, filling out the contact form as well, or visiting our website directly or giving us a call. So don't forget that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.